Well, we actually just bought this, so it is coming to Cedar Creek next week. And now the Stitch has something she's in here designing. Let's talk about it briefly, what your first initial ideas are.
Just have a little bathroom. Try and, pack as much into the small footprint as possible. So maybe a little bath in here, because there's a door here too, which we thought of eliminating, but maybe not. It'd just be nice to kind of come in, bathroom in here, and bed here, a little sofa, or not. I don't know. We'd like to have that bed facing out to these doors.
Right, we'll face the water. This will be the entrance as you're driving up with a patio, and these doors will swing open with the screen, keep the bugs out, right?
Yeah.
We got 6 or 7 railroad ties. That's gonna work out really nice. There's water all the way back there, and then it goes through here and then out. Well, I got the site for the lily pad supposed to be here this week. Looks good and level. And I rebuilt the bridge because it's coming in on a big trailer. And then we had some extra plants, so we planted those yesterday. And I just cleaned up all of that mess over there that has never been touched. Lots of trees, all kinds of crud. Excavator's gonna be here tomorrow. He's going to gently clean up this shore right here. And that's a wrap. That's what I pulled out of there. So it's gonna be really nice someday. That's going to be where the sign will be attached to that stump with the tree growing on it. Well, the lily pad has arrived. They've got to flip it around. It's on the trailer backwards, and they're going to haul it down the driveway here in a few minutes and put it in place. Super excited. So unfortunately, it is on the trailer backwards, so they're going to have to pull the lily pad off the trailer and spin it around, or they'll just drag it back there. I'm not exact. And away it goes. Got some wheels on the back and a little tiny mule device. Unfortunately, they clobbered some trees on the way in and bent the daylights out of the roof.
A couple spots.
Yeah. Oh well. It's gonna be okay. We'll fix it. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Crafty being the lovely. Coming at you, the lily pad has landed on the property. I thought I had my site level. Not. I had to jack up the one corner and get it kind of leveled out, and I did get that done. Suffered a little damage on the way in, kind of tore up the roof. Have to fix that, but that's okay. It's going to be a fun project. You know, we're always doing projects. It just keeps us young and busy. Stitch. Well, I have a little area over there that I borrow sand from, and about 300 buckets in the Kubota down to there. But that looks pretty nice. We'll put a deck or some kind of patio, a couple nice chairs, so you can enjoy the view.
In a minute?
In a minute.
That's going to go there, that's going to go there,
Well,
that there, and that there.
What is what? What is what?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
This is a bed. I'd kind of like to do a Murphy, but
Murphy bed.
So dang expensive.
I think we had talked about nice screens here, so you can just open these doors and leave them open during the day. But bathroom, kitchen.
Fold down table with stools underneath. Stools can hang on the wall when they're not in use. just to get them up out of the way.
We're still thinking of a loft, possibly.
Yeah, up here
over there.
with a step ladder up to here, up to a little platform, and then up.
So this is the commute to the lily pad. I know you've seen this before, but maybe some of you haven't. It's quite a ways from the rest of the property. There's the creepy shed. Clean that up. Big old ugly shed. Then you're around the corner here. There's the shop with all my junk here. We're not supposed to see that. We're gonna do this. We gotta get to that anyway. Sitting on the hill, and then the backyard over here. This is what I've been working on up front. That is going to be popping. Some grass will be sticking up there, I bet you, by tomorrow. That's all seeded. It's what's it called? Huh?
Seed them.
Seed 'em.
Seed 'em. Yeah. Well,
So-
they kind of grow around the rocks. It's just
Yeah, it looks fantastic. This is kind of where I left off, and I had to go get some more rocks. I think we'll stop right about there, but this will be just kind of a little break wall greeting area, if you will, I guess. So it looks nice when you come in. And the lily. Back in, comes out over there, but here's the deal on the wire. Stitches up to the bridge, and we got a piece of conduit to protect it, running right to here. I knew it was going to be close, but it's a big stack, pre-mossed. What do you think? Me too. Wait, it's actually level, and it's backfilled, and I've got some deadheads running in there buried so it won't tip over. So now it's up to, I don't know. You are on. Hello everybody, Crafty B and the lovely. Today is
shed staining day.
lily pad staining today.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah, it's a little darker than what
Yep.
I thought that it would be. A little more orange, but
We're running with it. Yesterday I came and I had to scrub the bottom of the whole shed because the dirt had flung up and kind of turned it gray. So we knew that we needed to get some stain on this thing ASAP. So today is the day. Got my bug sprayer right here. Works really well, and Stitch is coming in behind with a big fat brush. So hopefully, oops, sorry. I just wander. Hopefully by the couple hours we'll have this wrapped up, at least a little more protection. Now, good afternoon, everybody. A not so feeling the best Crafty Bee coming at you today. Just trying to get a little bit of work done. So today I am fitting all of the little pieces of this All About Olive, which came left over from the Sexy 72. And I am fitting them all, I'll do this one-handed, all up into these little soffits. Stitch is getting it's a terrible video, I'm sorry. Here, let me turn around. Here, enjoy the view. Stitch is getting some paint, and we're gonna paint them before we put them up. Just use a little air nailer, and I'm just about done. That's the the lower front, the lower rear, and the upper front. So that So here we go. I did a little test and it seemed to be spraying just fine. So I'm going to turn that tip the other way. Now you can see it's getting in there real nice. When I did it with the brush, man, it took a long time. And homie, it just doesn't have that kind of time to spend today, so. That's not a bad little unit. I think it was 90 bucks. Not too bad. So I can get right into all those cracks. That's okay. I can definitely live with that right there. Good afternoon. Well, I added the 1 and it looks so good I added 7 more. Completely fake. Not doing a dang thing, but looking good. And it covered up a boo-boo. These are not fake. These are holding up the roof. But you know what? Sometimes things just work out. That was the one I needed to make the boo-boo cover because I cut the soffits too short. And I had just exactly enough wood of the roughs on. And I just cut them and I nailed them up there. So just looks okay. Doors back on. Time to move to the inside. I'll be working in the shop all next week. Gas caps, stuff, and then into the inside. It's all insulated. We'll be putting, I got most of the wiring done, but I've got to finish up some wiring. Stitch bought a really cool antler chandelier. As I was saying, chandelier. So this is still pretty, it's kind of a shed right now, but I've got the bathroom roughed in, the shower is there. Nice glass enclosure. We're going to give our hand at a composting toilet. And this will be a really nice, some kind of white wood on the seat. I don't know. That's Stitch's department. And then that chandelier will hang here with a nice table, kitchen, queen bed, and some nice furniture and a beautiful view out over the lake. So it's coming. I don't know if I'll get it wrapped up by cold, but yeah, I just jump around. I'll work here, I'll work in the shop. I work back here, work in the shop, work on the Section 72. That's almost done too, so lots of progress. See y'all. Okay, as you were saying, let's wrap it up.
Oh, this right here is going to be the little coffee bar, fridge underneath, coffee pot, and little water cooler. TV probably above, that'll swing up. And
electric fireplace right in the center.
The wall here.
Uh-huh.
And then big mirror, coat rack, hooks, little shelves, and artwork walls.
That's right. So we're gaining on it, and I don't think we'll have it ready by fall, but we will be ready to.
This fall.
Well, yeah, this fall. We'll be ready for guests by spring for sure. And you all saw the outside. I can quickly show you the ones that maybe have missed a few of the. She's all stained. I know most of you have seen it, but a few of you may have not. It's looking real nice. Outside's done.